Welcome to this lesson on complete and incomplete sentences. First, let's talk about complete sentences. A complete sentence has a subject, who or what the sentence is about, and a verb, what they are doing. It tells a complete idea and makes sense on its own. Let's look at some examples of complete sentences. The first one, my Uncle John picked all the apples. Who or what is the sentence about? Uncle John. That is our subject. So we will put an S for subject above Uncle John. What is John doing? Or what did John do? He picked all the apples. So we will put a V for verb above picked, because picked is the word that tells what John did. Let's look at our second one. The cows are destroying the corn. Who or what is the sentence about? The cows. So we will put an S for subject above cows. What are the cows doing? Destroying the corn. So we'll put a V above destroying, because destroying is the word that tells what the cows are doing. Let's look at our third example. Sal shouted. Who or what is the sentence about? Sal. So we'll put an S for subject above Sal. What did Sal do? Sal shouted. So we'll put a V above shouted, because shouted is the word that tells what Sal did. Now let's talk about incomplete sentences. An incomplete sentence, let's make that box longer so we can get incomplete in there. Incomplete sentence is missing a subject or a verb, or it doesn't tell a complete idea. It doesn't make sense by itself. Let's look at some examples of incomplete sentences. Aunt Lily's cat. Who or what is the sentence about? Aunt Lily's cat. So we know the subject. What is Aunt Lily's cat doing? We don't know. So the verb is missing. Let's look at the second one. Wrapping the gift. Who or what is the sentence about? We don't know. We don't know who's wrapping the gift. So the subject is missing. And the last example, ate the bread. Who or what is the sentence about? We don't know. We don't know who ate the bread. So the subject is missing. Okay, at this point you can stop the video and complete the cut and paste sort. Remember to read and follow the directions.